how you can make a leaderboard. Ignore this will be actually for later. So go ahead and go to service script service and insert a script. So what we're going to do is start off the script with game.players.player added .connect and then a function and then a parameter of player. So I'm going to explain this thing. What this is doing is it's going to players, then it's gonna call the player added function, and then it's gonna use parameter of player. So now what we're gonna do is make the leaderboard. Start off by naming leaderboard whatever you want. It's gonna be lb equals, then do instance.new, and then you guys want to do in here a int value, and then a comma, and then player, which will recall to this right here. And then you want to do lb.name with a capitalization, keep that in mind, equals, and then leader stats. So keep in mind it's S and cap and a non-capital L, and this is gonna make your leaderboard. So there's two types of leaderboards you can do. You can do a int value and a string value. There might be more, but those are the main ones you're gonna use. So I'm gonna show you a int value. So wins equals instance.new, and again you can name that whatever, and then int value. So this is gonna be a number value. So this time you wanna recall lb. So lb is this, and then we're just gonna do this going here, be like, oh, lb, this is leader stats. Then it's gonna add this one. Go ahead and do lb or wins.name equals to then wins. And if you want to access this in another script, just do wins.value equals to 0. And this is an int value, so do that. Now I'm going to show you a string value. So say you're in an arena like an MMORPG, and this is why I have this. Now we're not going to script this today, I'm just going to give you an idea. So say when you enter, so this is going to be arena, or you can just do area equals instance.new. This time we're gonna do I'm gonna see if there's a boolean value actually. So bool value is a thing. I'm gonna do a video on that later. Anyway, string value, and then you're gonna do lb. And now you want to do area.name equals to area. Then area.value is gonna be equal to this. Again, this is a blank string, just in case when you basically enter, you're gonna use a hit. And I'll give you a simple idea. So what you want to do is you would want to do player equals game.players, or that would actually be hit.player character. It's I'm just gonna do this quick. Game.players character. Get player from character, and then you'd want to do hit, and then you'd basically do hit.parent. And then hit would be a parameter. Now in here you'd want to do something such as so the area value you would want to do area equals player.leader stats and then area, and then you would do area.value, and then that would be equal to say cave. So when you enter this area, this will happen, and I'll actually test that and then see if that does work. And then this is the exact same thing, you just change this, and then if it was a number, you do area. Say this was I'm just not going to do anything, but wins.value equals wins.value plus 1, and that's basically what it is. But anyway, you get the idea. Now if we do come in game and go see it, you'll see that it works fine. And as we did tell it, wins is equal to 0. Again, if you did change this to something like 2, and we can go on client and go on players, Darken Corp, and then go to leader stats, and then area or wins, and then do 1. And then if we do area, say I enter this area, so this was cave. So you enter a cave, and it would change value to cave. So then when you come back, you'd be like, oh, I have 1 win from this boss fight, and I just entered the cave. And when you leave this area, it would remove the cave and then do something else. And that's basically it. I will do testing on if you enter, then remove, and then I will do testing on this. But basically, that is it. This is a script, and I will leave this in the description for you guys. And then there'll be a little bit explanation here. But I hope you guys do enjoy, and I will see you guys